Hey guys, Nick with Foresters. Today we're going to do our product spotlight on a Virnig pickup broom. This particular pickup broom is a 72-inch working width. This broom is driven off your auxiliary hydraulics on your skid loader or tractor. It attaches to a standard skid loader style quick attach. This particular broom not only brooms but also picks up. So it actually has a bucket mounted behind it that as the broom picks up the dirt or debris you're picking up, it'll go into the bucket so you can remove it from the site rather than just push it off to the side. This front section up here houses your broom. It rotates like this, so it'll pull everything back into the bucket. This back here is your bucket that's going to collect your dirt and debris that you're trying to pick up. So that was a quick little demonstration on how the pickup broom works. These are really handy to have around construction sites, job sites, picking up stones in the spring after a winter of plowing snow. If you guys have any questions about Virnig products or pickup brooms or any other farm equipment needs, give us a call 717-263-0705 or check us out online at forestfarmeq.com.